अस्सलाम व्यूवर्स, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है वो हमारा है एडवर्ब। एडवर्ब होते क्या है, कैसे यूज़ होते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ होते हैं, तो ये तमाम चीज़ आज हम इस टॉपिक में पढ़ेंगे। सो वीडियो आप पूरी लाजमी देखना, क्योंकि एंड में आपको कुछ ऐसे रूल्स वगैरह बताऊँगा जो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे। ठीक है, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग ऑन वीडियो, subscribe my channel, like and don't forget to click the bell icon so that don't miss the next upcoming videos. So now starting our topic. So in this video we'll talk about what is an adverb, types of adverbs, using adverbs correctly, that is comparatives and superlatives, what are these in adverbs, and adverbs position. So, what position will choose to put our adverbs in a sentence. So these all we'll talk about in this video. So now moving to adverbs. Actually, what is adverb? Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, other adverbs, or entire clause. So as we discussed in our last video, adjectives. What adjectives do? They modify noun or a pronoun. But here adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, other adverbs, or entire clause. It can be sentence. Actually, there is a another topic of clause. It is as different aspects what clause is, so we'll make them in different video and I will teach you. Okay, now we are just doing adverbs now. Many adverbs end in ly, like I will tell you an adverbs examples, but there are some adverbs that do not end on ly, as you are seeing the examples like always, never, very, well, etc. Adverbs also tell how, when, and where something happens. Understand? So now we'll discuss it in another slide. First, we are seeing the examples of adverb. First, like badly, slightly, enormously, fortunately, unfortunately, like loudly, hesitantly, impatiently, quickly, seriously, adverb, happily, incredibly. So these all are the examples of adverbs. So now moving to another slide. Uh, there are examples of adverb which is used in sentences. So I told you that I will explain how, where, when, and these all adverbs are used. So like he ate banana quickly. Now I am asking you a question that how did he eat banana? So he ate banana quickly. Understand? And second example is that Bisma looks really beautiful in that dress. So but here I will ask you a question that how she looks beautiful. So here really beautiful. There is an adverb. So third one is you can park your bike there. So the question is where should I park my bike? So that I will tell you, you should park your bike there. It is showing your position where. Okay, as same as John went to beach yesterday, and like last he often drink coffee in the morning. So these all are the examples of adverbs. Now moving to another slide, that is types of adverb. There are 5 important types of adverbs, as you are seeing on the screen, like manner, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, place, time, and frequency. In the manner, how you use and what types of manners, adverb manners are there, like badly, slowly, loudly, quietly. These show the manners. Understand? And degree, here you are seeing like very, really, extremely, quiet. These all types of degrees. Place and time, as you noted here, there, nearby, somewhere, recently, today, yesterday, already. These all are the adverbs of place and adverbs of time. And last but not the least is frequency. Frequency, is like usually, often, sometimes, or never. These all are the types of adverbs. And adverbs that end on ly, it is not always true. For example, badly, slowly, loudly, quietly, sadly, happily. These all are the examples of adverb, but it is not true that it always ends on ly. Some adjectives are there which also end on ly. As you see the examples like friendly and lovely. If I use them in a sentence, so she is a friendly person. Now person is a noun and friendly is adjective. It is showing the, it is modifying the person or noun. Understand? And what a lovely bouquet. K is a bunch of flowers. So it is modifying a noun or pronoun. So understand these examples of adverbs, and it is not necessary that it always ends on ly. Not. Some adjectives are also there that on and ly. Understand? So now see the example. Uh, Ali speaks English quite well. अब here it is showing degree manner. Understand? Quite well. What he does, he speaks quite well. Secondly, I go to shopping every day. Up it is showing here frequency. What do you do? What you do? Go every day. Understand? Did you go to the gym yesterday? Now here time is shown go or yesterday. When did you go? Yesterday. And the child was sitting in the class quietly. There is a place and manner, quietly and class. Understand? So these are the examples which is used in the sentence to show you to understand that how they are used. Now seeing the comparatives and superlatives. Comparatives and superlatives, what? As we see, we did also in the adjectives, but it is also used in the adverbs. And how they are used, so I will explain you. And can you please speak more loudly? Up here, more loudly is what? Comparative. Comparative of adverb. Understand? Secondly is adults learn things more quickly than children do. So more quickly is comparatives. Understand? I am giving you an example. So tell me what the word of adverb or type of adverb will be used. So the example is Ahmad's car goes dash then Asad. Now I'm showing you the option more faster, fastly, faster. So here faster will be used. How and why? Because the comparative and superlative degree of fast is faster and fastest. It is not more faster or fastly. Understand? As second example is there, Atif Singh's dash then Imad. So what will be used here? Yes, better. Atif Singh's better than Imad. Why we are not using more well or more better? Because the comparative and superlative degree of good is better and the best. So these type of adverbs of comparative and superlative degrees are. Now adverb about adverbs position. So adverbs की position जो है, अब एडवर्ब्स कहाँ बिगिनिंग में कैसे यूज़ होता है, मिडिल में कैसे यूज़ होता है और एंड में कैसे यूज़ होता है, अब हम यहाँ पर हम पढ़ेंगे. अब जो बिगनिंग में है वो हम सब्जेक्ट से पहले यूज़ करते हैं. वो कैसे? जो एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर, होपफुली माई फैमिली विल बी वेटिंग फॉर मी एट द एयरपोर्ट. ठीक है. और अब मिडिल में कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, हम सब्जेक्ट और मेन वर्ब के दरमियान में हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं मिड में. जैसे कि आई ऑफन ट्रैवल टू यूरोप. ऑफन इज़ between main verb and subject. And secondly is I am still waiting for him. It is also in between of waiting and I. सो दिस इज हम एंड में कब यूज़ करते हैं इसको, जैसे कि पूरा सेंटेंस या क्लॉज के बाद हम इसको एंड में यूज़ करते हैं। जैसे कि आप एग्जांपल देख रहे हैं, शी रन क्विकली। सो हम यहाँ क्विकली कैसे यूज़ कर रहे हैं, एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस और क्लॉज। अंडरस्टैंड। सो ऐसे ही हम अपना एडवर्ब्स की पोजीशन यूज़ करते हैं। ठीक है। If you like my video, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos, which is very helpful to you. So जब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।